Bang it a couple times right here. Oh shit. Saying safety first, jack stands. So now I'm gonna loosen up some of these brake wires. Alright guys, so first things first, I'm gonna loosen up these guys here. This is just me lifting my truck. So okay, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 along all the across the rear diff. So I'll go ahead and pop those off. Okay, so yeah, there's one right there, 2, 3 on top, 4, and 5 all the way up the end. So yeah, just loosen this, just because you don't wanna mess anything up. Okay, so as you can see right there, that's what we want. We want that separation, so we're able to slide the blocks in. So okay guys, there it is. Took a little finessing, but so the nice thing is that when you're working on the ground, you're able to move the wheel back and forth. Well, not no more, but to put the block in. So now that the block is in, the rest is a walk in the park. So now, let me zoom out there. Sorry guys. Now I just put the U-bolts on and everything else. So it actually wasn't too bad. You know, if you got a jack that can go high enough, you won't have any issues. So, but yeah, not too bad. So, alright. Okay, so you do get a new washer and a new nut. So make sure that these, when you put them on, that they're not crusted or nothing like that. They go on nice and smooth. So again, the only trouble that I had was lining up the hole that's on this top of this lift block, and then the hole on the bottom. But again, like I said, I'm working on the ground, so since it wasn't connected, like I was able to easily just roll the rear differential back and forth to line it up. So that was a walk in the park. Okay guys, so there's the rear. Looks like it came stock like this from the factory. So now I just gotta do the front. Alright, time to go eat some food.
Try to play it, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. bloody and stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain, pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane, pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less. You check as I'm chess, what's happening next? Yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson. He got a new engine from pain, that's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I'll leave an impression and take your redemption. Just kill, no discretion. Your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me. So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will.
Alright guys, so my memory card is full. So let me show you what I have done so far. Right here I removed the upper control arm nut, loosened up the lower control arm, you know, the things you get done for an alignment bolts, alignment cams. This guy right here had to get loosened up, and then that would make it easier to remove the lower control arm, not the lower control arm, the bolt that holds this bad boy in place. So it was a mission. So this side is definitely a lesson learned. So, but yeah, so I have that done, and then now to take this thing apart and put on the new ones, the new uppers. So all right, let's put those on.
Strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place. I wanna be first, work till it hurts. Dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions in the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off from a break off from the weak minds. They can stay soft. You can change lives, you create thoughts, never waste time. You got one shot, you got one life. Better pop off. What do you like? Make a dream job. No 9-5, no mean boss. Just my life and free thoughts. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep.
Hey guys, so there it is, all done. Rough Country 3-inch lift leveling kit. It wasn't too bad if you got the right tools. Just the only thing that sucked putting on was the nut for the diff drop kit. That was a pain in the butt. That was just really hard, but I like it so far. It looks good. You can definitely feel the difference when you get in it now. Now I just have to get an alignment, and then I have new tires in the backyard. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you guys on the next